Hi guys, hope you're all doing fantastic. Today we are going to talk about the Vax Dual Power Pet Advanced Carpet Washer. This one I got in UK from Vacuums Direct. It is available in other stores as well, but out of all the places I found Vacuum Direct is very good for its price. I got it for £120, which is roughly around $160 to $165. What we're going to cover in this video today is how good this carpet washer will compared to the other expensive carpet washers in the market. There are carpet washers that go up to $450 $500 as well. So what we're trying to do in this particular video is first of all see how to set it up and everything, and along with that we're also going to see how good this carpet washer is and how it will compare to the more expensive models. Probably we don't need those expensive ones for domestic use, and that's what we're going to try and check today. I'm Ashwin and you're watching Everyday Life. Thanks for all your love and support to the channel, and if you're not a subscriber yet, please hit on the subscribe button so that you can keep up with the new videos and you can help me bring before you more genuine reviews about products that we use every day. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the product and see what we have got here. Let's start with the main carpet washing unit. So this is the main unit that we have here. It's quite easy to assemble. There are just 3 screws that you need to do. It's pretty straightforward. When you read the manual, you'll easily understand that. What we have here, this one is the power button. It's very simple and straightforward. This is the power button, and this one is to release the handle. So what happens when you press this one, it helps to release the handle, and then the carpet washer can easily bend through and then go to reach places where it cannot reach when it is straight. We have 2 compartments here. This compartment in the top here is for the clean water to fill it. So how you release it is by pressing this blue button here. You release it, you take it out, you fill this tank with the clean water. Ideally, hot water is suggested for using for carpet wash because it will get more effective. The detergent gets more powerful when you use hot water. And then you fill this one with 1 liter of water, and then you can use any carpet washing liquid. We've got some carpet washing liquids with Vax with the purchase. So I'm going to explain you about those in just a bit of time. We're going to fill this one with 1 liter of water, and then with the soap, with the detergent, and then it's pretty easy to fix it, and it gets locked. The next unit that we have below is for the dirty water. All the dirty water after cleaning the carpet gets collected in here. So again, it's very easy to release this one and take it out. You can detach it that way, and then you have 2 clips here, this way and this way. You just release those clips up, take the cap, take this one, empty the tank, and then it's very easy to wash and maintain this one as well. After using it for the whole carpet washing, you can easily wash it and then store it back. Again, fixing this one is pretty easy. You just have to keep it in the right place and then push it in, and then when you see here the tick sound, then that means that it is locked. What you also have here is a little flap. This flap is used for fixing other accessories to the carpet washing unit, to the main unit. Other accessories like the handheld staircase cleaner, and then the other brushes and everything you can fix through this one, which I'm going to show you in a minute. So along with this main unit, what we have also got is the staircase cleaner. What we have here is a brush which is pretty sharp, which has a pretty sharp edges. So this one helps in really reaching all those corners as well. This is very useful and very handy, and especially when you're cleaning, when you're doing the carpet wash for the whole stairs, it's very difficult to carry the whole machine and then do it there. So this one is going to be quite handy for you to do the carpets on the stairs. So what we have here, this one has got 2 nozzles. One for the liquid, for the soapy liquid to go in, and one to pull out the dirty water. Okay, so how we're going to fix this? If you see it carefully, this one's got 2 projections there. You got to just match those projections to this one. Turn it, wiggle a bit, and then you just press it, and then you turn it. That's it. And now that has locked in itself. And now we have this other one to get the fresh water in, and that one, it's very simple again. You just put it, and then you just turn it, and then that gets locked in there. So what we also have here is this button for this one. What this one acts as, every time you press this one, it shoots out the fresh soapy liquid from here, and that will fall onto the carpet, and then this brush here will actually suck that whole liquid out along with the dirt in the carpet. Along with this one, what we have as another accessory is the sprayer. This is pretty simple and straightforward. This one doesn't have a sucking. This is only to spray into the hard stain areas where you have like a very strong stain onto the carpet. It is advised by Vax that you treat that area 10 to 15 minutes before with the pre-treatment liquid, and then after some time, then when you're using the carpet washer, then at that time it would be quite effective, and the stain, it would help in really removing the stain quite effectively. Again, how to fix this one? It's very simple and straightforward. This one has got just one nozzle. You put this one in there, the same point where we have fixed the other one, and then you just turn it, and then it gets locked in there. That's it. So that's locked now. And what we have in this one is one button. You just press this one, and then the fresh soapy liquid comes out from this one, and then you treat the area where you have like a hard stain. You treat that area with this fresh liquid and leave it for 15 minutes before you do the complete carpet wash. Along with the purchase, what we have here are two liquids that we got along with the purchase. The white one is the pre-treatment liquid, and this is the one that you will have to use along with this nozzle to spray onto the areas where you want the mold, where you want the stain to be really removed. And this one is the general carpet wash liquid. So you use 1 cup of this liquid, which is 90 ml, along with every 1 liter of hot water. So now let's go ahead and see how to use and actually put into use the carpet washer and see how it performs, so that we can have a good look in real life. Before we start with the main carpet washing, it is a prerequisite from Vax that we always clean the carpet first and remove all the surface dirt from the carpet before we actually wash the carpet. Otherwise it's going to get quite soggy and muddy. So let's do the regular carpet cleaning first with the regular vacuum cleaner, and then we're going to move on to the carpet washer. So now we've done with the carpet cleaning, let's get into carpet washing. As you can see, we have a stain here. I'm not sure how clearly you can see on the camera, but just we have a stain here. So we're going to treat that stain with this pre-treatment liquid, which we've got from Vax. I'm going to use the spraying nozzle. I'm going to put 90 ml of this one into the main tank without any water. It should not be diluted. And I'm going to spray it just in this area and then leave it for 15 minutes. And after that, I'm going to use the main soap liquid into the main tank along with 1 liter of hot water. So let's get started with this one. One thing I've noticed with this one is that it is a bit noisy. Probably the expensive ones are not as noisy, I'm not sure, but this one is definitely a bit noisy. I'm going to turn it on now, and then you can actually hear it in real volume. To be true to you, what I've noticed is this spray is not really that effective, especially when you put such less liquid, in such a big tank. It is spraying, but it is not spraying as effectively as it should be. So what I would recommend actually is putting this onto a regular spray bottle and then spray it into the areas where you have a stain. I think that would be more efficient than putting this liquid into such a big tank and then doing it that way. We have now got 1 liter of water here. You can fill the water up to this level in the tank where it says max. You can fill the water up to that level in the tank, and then I am adding the detergent, which was provided by Vax again. So that's the green bottle. So now that our soap is ready, we're gonna close the tank. Give it a good shake. Yep. Now fix that into the main unit. Now our machine is ready for firing. So now I have finished cleaning the carpet. It's all done. I've finished one room at least. and I have to say that it is quite impressive. I won't say that the carpets have turned out completely new. You can see here the carpets haven't turned out completely new, but definitely the brightness of the carpets has increased. And also I have seen that the carpets have become again a bit more fluffy as they used to be in the past. So the fluffy bit has come back definitely. The carpets haven't turned new, but definitely there is a good amount of improvement. And while doing it, I have also seen that machine was leaving behind some of these fibers, and you can see how black and dark they are. They're probably some of the fibers from the carpet mixed with the mud that it was actually pulling out. And you can see the water here as well. See, that's the water, that's the clean water tank, and that's the water from the dirty tank. So this is the water that has been pulled out from the carpet, and you can see it's actually quite dirty, and you can see pieces of black fibers floating on the surface. So I think it is quite effective, and I think it is a worthy investment. Now, next thing, let's look at the area where we have actually sprayed and then tested the stain. So now let's just do that and then check out how effectively it will remove that stain. This is the stain on which we have sprayed before. We have used the solution, pre-treatment solution there. Now we are going to do the carpet wash on top of the stain because it's been 15-20 minutes now, and we're going to check out how well it's going to remove that stain. Also, one more thing I've missed to mention, that there is a simple thing that you need to follow while doing it. You have a button here which is the release for the liquid. So ideally it is suggested that when you're moving the whole machine forward, you press the button so that it releases the liquid, and on your way back you release the button so that the machine will not release the liquid anymore. It will start sucking in all the dirty water from the carpet. So forward action, press the button. On the reverse action, release the button. That's how you're supposed to do it. So now let's go back and check out. So as you can see, definitely the stain has reduced in darkness, but I won't say that the stain has been removed. It's obviously a bit wet now, so it is actually darker than what it used to be. But probably after some time, when the carpet dries out, probably it might get better. But I have to say that the stain is not totally removed. But as for the washing of the carpet, it has done a good job. And also there's one more thing I would like to add upon my research while doing this video. I have realized that the carpet cleaning liquid that Vax provides is actually not the best in the market. There are also other companies that do, like ASTONISH, and then probably other companies as well. But I heard that ASTONISH is a very good carpet cleaner, and it is quite effective when you use it with the Vax machine. I have read that somewhere, so probably that's something I'm going to try next time. So that's everything, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel and support me bring before you more genuine review videos like this one. Thank you for your time, and have a great day.